Hey guys, so today we will learn a little bit about computer virus and antivirus. So, on the right side, as you can see, I've just inserted a funny image showing is your computer infected. Okay, now, so moving on further, we see that contents which we will study in this very short slide, and these are malwares, computer virus, how does computer virus operate, the history of computer virus, types of computer virus, and how to get rid of computer virus, signs of virus infection, and last we have download virus and antivirus. So before going further, let us first talk about what is malwares. Malwares literally mean an harmful software that is installed on your computer by mistake, and it is not installed intentionally. Computer viruses, Trojan horses, worms are all considered under malware. So what does a virus do when it infects your computer? It causes a deletion of specific files which are necessary for your computer system to work. So the virus can spread very easily, and it can cause the decrease in performance of computer. Here we will study about Trojan horse. A Trojan horse is a virus. Actually, it is named after horse which was sent to the enemies in the movie Achilles, I think. And so what does coming back, we see that Trojan cause damage, but they do not spread to the other computer. A Trojan is a piece of malware, and computer worm infiltrates your computer when you download a file or an email. The worm will infect your files and will spread to computers of people whom you communicate in the same way that it can be infiltrated. So on the right you can see a very bold image of what, why and how computer virus spread itself by entering a executable code or document. The purpose of creating a computer virus is to infect vulnerable systems, gain admin control and steal user sensitive data. Besides that, infection also spread while connecting with already infected removable storage devices such as USB drive. A computer virus can modify or delete the key functions or applications and copy or encrypt data. Then we have, how does a computer virus operate? A computer virus operates in two ways. The first kind, as soon as it lands on new computer, it begins to replicate. The second type, the computer virus plays dead until the trigger is started in the computer, and then it executes its malicious code. In the recent time, viruses have been able to change their code as they spread dynamically. It is highly significant to install antivirus and prevent your computer from infection or virus. Then we have different type of computer virus: boot sector, direct action, file infector, macro, multipartite, polymorphic, resident and web scripting. We don't have to go into the details of all these viruses, but we will see a very brief description of them. Boot sector virus infects the master boot record. Direct action virus are also called non-resident virus. It stays attached to a specific type of file and it does not affect the user experience and system performance. Resident virus is get installed on computer just like direct action virus. Multipartite virus spreads through multiple ways. It infects both boot sector and exe files. Polymorphic viruses are difficult to identify with traditional antivirus program. This is because polymorphic virus alters its signature pattern whenever it replicates. Then we have overwrite virus and space filler virus. As you can see on the right, there is a warning saying that your phone is severely damaged by virus, which is actually an ad, and if we click on it, then our computer will be infected by virus. So here we have overwrite virus and space filler virus. Now polymorphic resident web scripting, not necessary, macro override. Now how do we get rid of computer virus? It is a very simple process. You just have to install antivirus for it, antivirus software from the internet, or purchase it. These are the signs if your computer is infected by virus: slower system, pop-ups, programs running on their own, files multiplying, file folder programs, and the sound of the hard drive will show that your computer is infected by virus. Then these are the slides I made about how to download virus/malware scanner. What is antivirus? What does antivirus software do? Antivirus is critical for users to be installed on the computer because a computer without antivirus will be infected within a minutes of connecting to internet. What does antivirus do? Several different companies build antivirus softwares. It scans specific files, directories for any malware, allow you to schedule scan, allow you to initiate a scan or CD. Best of the antivirus are Norton, McAfee, Trend Micro, Webroot, and Avira. These are the sites from where the subject matters have been taken. You can click on them and read them.